Welcome. This video guides you through installing a front license plate on the Tesla Model Y Juniper with the updated bumper design. Tesla now includes integrated mounting points, simplifying the process. We'll cover tools, steps, and tips for a secure and compliant installation. The Model Y Juniper, introduced in late 2023, features integrated mounting points for license plates. Key features include pre-drilled holes in the front bumper and a flush mount area for clean installation. This design eliminates the need for aftermarket brackets, significantly improving aesthetics and fitment. The mounting points are specifically designed for a standard 12 by 6 inch US license plate. This integrated approach ensures a professional-looking installation that maintains the vehicle's sleek design. Before beginning the installation, gather these essential tools and materials. You'll need a standard license plate, typically 12 by 6 inches for front mounting. Two M6 1.0 self-tapping screws, which are often included in Tesla accessory kits. A screwdriver or drill with a Phillips head bit for secure installation. Optional adhesive backing can provide additional security for the plate. Remember, avoid over-tightening the screws to prevent damage to the bumper material. Begin by parking your Model Y Juniper on a level surface and engaging the parking brake to ensure stability during the installation process. Next, thoroughly clean the bumper area where the license plate will be mounted to remove any dirt or debris that could interfere with the installation. Then, carefully align the license plate with the pre-drilled mounting points on the bumper, ensuring proper positioning before securing it. Insert the self-tapping screws into the mounting points and tighten them until snug, being careful not to over-tighten to avoid damaging the bumper. Finally, verify that the license plate is securely attached and test for any vibrations by gently checking its stability. The mounting points are located on the front bumper underneath the Tesla logo. You will find two pre-positioned screw holes, approximately 7 inches apart, center to center. These are specifically designed to accommodate the license plate screws. Here are some important tips for a secure installation. First, consider adding adhesive backing to the license plate for extra stability and to prevent rattling. Second, avoid over-tightening the screws, as this can damage the bumper. Third, periodically check the screws to ensure they remain tight, especially after driving on rough roads. In certain states, regulatory compliance requires front license plates on vehicles. States like California and New York mandate that vehicles display both front and rear plates to ensure proper identification and road safety. Proper installation of your license plate using the Tesla Model Y Juniper's integrated mounting points ensures you remain legally compliant with state regulations. This prevents issues during vehicle inspections or traffic stops. Failure to display a required front license plate can result in significant fines and penalties. For example, in some states, violations can cost hundreds of dollars, and repeated offenses may lead to additional consequences like vehicle impoundment. The integrated bumper design not only simplifies installation, but also maintains the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. By minimizing the impact on drag, the design helps preserve fuel efficiency and performance while ensuring compliance. Understanding these regulatory requirements and using the proper installation method helps you avoid fines and maintain your vehicle's performance. Always check your local laws to ensure compliance. If you encounter issues during installation, common problems include rattling plates, bumper scratches, fitment issues on pre-2023 models, or regulatory fines. For fixes, tighten screws gently, clean surfaces carefully, contact Tesla for retrofits, and check local laws. For additional help, consult Tesla's official guide for diagrams, join Reddit's r/Tesla Model Y community, visit service centers for retrofit assistance, or watch YouTube tutorials from other owners. Remember to keep your installation low impact and sustainable by using reusable parts whenever possible, reducing e-waste, and supporting Tesla's eco-friendly approach.